I'm going to do part 2 of the pastry, gluten-free pastry. So, I have the plastic wrap laid out. And I use flour. Now we have the pastry dough that we made yesterday. Okay? Sorry about the dogs. Not my dogs. Mine are made to have manners. So, then you put the plastic on top and roll it out to the desired consistency. Or thickness, or whatever you want to call it. And you have to make sure you roll it out and not push it out, because if you push it out, it'll tear. Take the top layer of plastic wrap off. Because I'm filming it, it isn't perfect. And this is for a key lime pie. So, I have other pastries to do, so I will prick that with a fork and put it in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes, and then turn the temperature down to 350 until it's golden. If you were doing a double-crusted pie, you would baste it with egg white after it's sealed and bake it in the oven the same. 15 minutes at 400, and then lower the temperature to 350 until it's golden and bubbling. You're welcome. And this is the pie shell, blind baked from the oven. Gluten-free doesn't go really golden, but this is ready. I'm going to cool it for a key lime pie.